道指南針。
我今日仲
Now
去
we're
去求威版。
嗱，依家影緊
Adam,
細佬
if I
三
can get you to
百。
release your side, please.
係咯，就係幫實晒嗰
係舊年啊！
底褲，影佢之後，粉紅色對花。
你影入石樓位先得。
其實我都有經驗，我都玩過。
Yeah.
係咩？
Don't stand up.
Yeah, the wind around here swirls and not consistent.
好太陽㗎嘛。
Good. So you know about
少
Humber
啲
College
防曬都
then?
唔掂。
Obviously you do, Victor.
I do that.
Me?
So there are courses, there's the club, there are courses all summer long, 7 days a
But if
week.
you join the membership, you don't necessarily to own a boat, right?
That's right.
No, they share. They
Share the boat.
Yeah, they share.
So like an
You have,
annual fee or
you have
something.
to book it. Like,
Yep, yeah. There you go.
That would be nice.
And then you could sail with Victor all the time.
Yeah.
Here's some.
You don't have to worry about
Here it comes.
keeping the boat in good condition within
that's something now.
and it's a bit of what we'll find, I guess, if you share with people, right?
See the red
Is it like
barrel?
time sharing?
Yeah,
It's like,
but-
Yeah, they do have white.
Go right at it
Yeah.
for now. Aim right at it.
yeah, so you can share it.
And only about 200, 250 people.
Oh, that's nice.
So how far have you been south?
There's always boats to go on.
You
Uh,
just team up together. Maybe
No, no.
7.
You do have to, you have to have two crews,
Yeah.
members of the club,
Sure.
and
幫
the
完
crew
中
both
加
have to have at least the basic course.
Of course.
Yeah. Now you can take guests along,
Yeah.
but one person has to pass the test
Pass.
to be skipper,
People.
and after you do the basic course and you get practice on the boat, if you want to be just a skipper,
Now you can
and have
follow
the
this
crew,
boat
you have
in.
to first pass the test. You go out with one of the instructors,
Nice.
and they see if you can use emergencies.
How about the fee to join the membership, or is it like an annual fee or something?
Yes, yes. It's about $1,500 or $1,600
A year?
a year.
We are not running a
And,
model.
Phil was saying
We're going
earlier
back.
that's about as much
The
as it
only
costs
one we
to
do
park
that.
boat here
Yeah.
in Toronto.
That's true, that's true.